the world's largest passenger car. Few companies avoided the stock market crash of 1929, which plunged the US and most of the Western world into an economic recession. One of the biggest hits has been in the automotive industry, and there was the reason. It's hard to sell cars to people who have lost their job. Before the market collapsed, the American automaker Studebaker was doing very well. The company had three large factories producing more than 180,000 cars a year. Studebaker responded to the Great Depression by downsizing its production and reducing the number of employees. In 1931, to stimulate sales growth, the company built a huge wooden replica of the President model, 2.5 times larger than its manufactured counterpart. The model was over 12.19-meter long and 4.27-meter high, weighed over 5.5 tons, and had a white pine hull. The wheels supplied by the Firestone tire and rubber company were 2.13 meter in diameter. Unfortunately, not enough measures were taken to protect the wooden structure from the destructive effects of a harsh winter. So, in the spring of 1936, the company decided to burn the car, which was in a deplorable state. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing, and bye bye.